Hey everyone! Welcome to Tech Tidbits, where we shine a light on the coolest tech out there. Today, we're turning the spotlight on something that's brightening up our world in more ways than one: LEDs. That's right, light-emitting diodes. So, let's get glowing with some dazzling facts. First up, did you know that LEDs are incredibly energy efficient? In fact, they use up to 90% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. That means they not only save you money on your electricity bill, but they're also better for the planet. It's like having a superhero for your lighting needs. Here's another bright idea. LEDs come in a rainbow of colors without needing any extra filters. Unlike traditional bulbs, which use filters to produce different colors, LEDs create colors directly through their tiny semiconductors. So whether you want a calming blue, a vibrant red, or a zesty green, LEDs can do it all. Now, let's talk about the lifespan of these little light wonders. An average LED can last up to 25,000 hours. That's about 2.8 years of continuous light. To put it in perspective, if you had an LED light on 24/7, it would outlast more than 17 traditional incandescent bulbs. That's some serious staying power. And speaking of long-lasting, LEDs are not just for home lighting. They're used in all sorts of unexpected places. For example, did you know that LEDs are used in traffic lights and street lights? They're so efficient and durable that they're revolutionizing urban lighting. Imagine driving through a city where every streetlight is an LED. Talk about a bright idea. But wait, there's more. LEDs are also the secret behind those eye-catching digital displays and screens you see everywhere, from your phone to billboards. They're responsible for those vibrant, high-definition visuals, making everything from videos to games look amazing. So, next time you're glued to your screen, give a nod to the LED magic happening behind the scenes. And let's not forget about their role in health and wellness. LEDs are used in medical treatments, like phototherapy for skin conditions, and even in devices that help plants grow indoors. It's like having a little piece of technology that supports everything from your garden to your skin. That's it for today's glowing episode of Tech Tidbits. We hope you've enjoyed this illuminating dive into the world of LEDs. Remember, next time you switch on that light, you're not just brightening a room, you're tapping into a fantastic piece of modern technology. Until next time, keep shining bright and stay tech savvy. See you on the next episode of Tech Tidbits.